You can manage everything here by name of drink, everything. I will describe it. Okay. So 1, 2, 5. We haven't anything here. So, but take care. When you finish, from this, you must to make one. Okay, one espresso, one cup. Reverse again. Okay, here and here. It's okay. Okay. So this for cleaning. You got here clear milk tube, this one, and milk system, sugar mixer, whole system, clean brewer, distilling.
Will it clean it by steam?
No. When you make cleaning, take this out from milk and put it here in water.
Водичку просто берешь?
It's important because if but here in espresso, it will suction espresso. But in milk, it will suction. Okay?
The same story, just a normal water.
Yeah, no. Really, such as this. Okay? Now we will going to menu. This menu.
А русский где? Русское меню где?
We will change the language.
Coffee taste, user profile, language. You can change to Russian here. Okay. Where is Russian?
Русский.
Yeah. Okay. And cup quantity. You have any cup here. Okay.
What?
Cup quantities. Cup statistics. Okay.
Make statistics.
Статистика,
Yeah.
сколько выпили?
Everything about it. Okay. Clean set. This, it's so important. This automatic brewer clean setting and automatic clean. It's make automatically cleaning all of machine. Okay. So automatic milk system clean. It's every 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So I will make it 0. Okay. I didn't make any milk clean. Okay. Automatically. You must make it by your hand. Okay. Push blender 0. Reminder clean steam 1. This will make 0. Clean brewer. No. So when clean brewer every 30 minutes. 30 minutes it's ready. So we'll make it 150.
Что это он ставит сейчас?
Okay. Now automatic clean it's okay. Okay. So if you want to make clean by yourself, make from here. Okay.
What about this 150 minutes?
150 minutes. It's about 1.5 hours.
Yeah. And what
It will make cleaning for brewer.
brewer?
Yeah.
What is it brewer?
It's inside of machine,
Okay.
such as this.
I see. I'm getting
This one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's make clean automatically. So now, if I want to turn off machine, I will press here and make OK. Okay. I must put this milk tube here. Okay. Everything about machine. I will go into menu and give you hints here. This coffee taste, if you want to change taste of any product you need, espresso such as espresso, it's 12 grams and 60 milli water from espresso. It's medium. And the small, 12 and 30. Okay?
Что это?
Можно, если мы большие спецы разбираемся, как делать кофе, мы можем выбрать количество кофе и количество воды.
Concentration. You can change from here. Okay?
Existing data? What is it?
This I press here and make change. Okay?
I see. Yeah.
Okay. So every drink such as this. Latte, you will see coffee and steam milk. Cappuccino. You will see coffee and steam milk. Anything you need for water, everything. Okay? If you want to add drink by username, user profile.
Mhm.
Here, copy this, add drink.
Mhm.
Password is 7878878. It's confirmed. Coffee, coffee, one. I will go in here and will
The name, okay,
the name,
understand.
okay, and make parameter. You must make sequence for parameter here. One, but first I will enter password of machine. Okay, one, confirm. Here.
Ты понимаешь что-нибудь? Я пока нет.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
And going to user profile. This will be in YouTube. You can check it here. Or e-cafe one.
Mhm.
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay.
Короче, можно сделать настроить свой собственный топ, я не знаю, может быть это будет не кофе, там, не знаю, шоколад, там еще что-то. Хотя это уже все есть здесь, судя по количеству.
So language, cup quantity, clean set, temperature setting. Temperature setting. Now it's 85. It's good. And steam. It's 140. It's good. Okay. Not make it maximum because it's not good taste and make damage in machine before 3 years. Okay. Okay. Energy. This is so important. Take care. Energy safe setting. Every 120. So every 2 hours it's will going to echo mode.
Every 2 hours.
2 hours. It's good for you. Okay. Confirm.
Каждые 2 часа будет выходить. What does it mean, this echo mode?
Echo mode it will be ready. I didn't make anything in machine, so it will every 2 hours it will going to echo mode.
It's
So
like he's sleepy but still working.
yeah. So when I come to machine before 2 hours, I will press on screen and will take 15 seconds to begin it again.
Окей. Ну, в общем, через каждые 2 часа он
To save power,
экономный режим, сохранить энергию и так далее. И просто под...
to save boiler heating, boiler items. It's okay. Okay. Now you have all drinks and you have all information about machine. It's finished. So, are you have any questions?
Yeah, what about after, for example, after 1 year, yes?
No,
It
I will tell you. I should to coming and make maintenance for it because inside of machine you must to change gaskets, you must to change tubes, you must to change small parts because if I didn't come and make this maintenance, it's so important really. It's will going to such as this machine, bang, and make much of damage, and make no good taste, and make much of salatin machine, so bad things. So you must to make maintenance on machine every quarter, every 1 month. It's so important. What is this maintenance? I will not unassembly machine and change some of gaskets, some of tubes. And this is so important. Every month, every quarter, every half year, every 1 year, every part we have time scheduling to change it. So now every 3 months I must change milk system gaskets. It's so important because if I didn't change it, you will see some of steams go out from here, from the back of machine, and make much water here, and it's not good. Okay? Yes.
Ничего себе положительного.
Milk clean systems. Milk clean system I must do maintenance every 1 month. So this is so important to make every month and every quarter and every half year.
We already have a contract with you for the maintenance
Yeah,
of these
it's okay.
machines.
It's okay for us.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
we
we-
already have this agreement in our contract.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I'm not sure.
Что это?
I'm not sure if it's the maintenance is included or not. I will check and let you know.
Yes.